Hello, guys. Hi, and I hope you are doing well enough in your life. So, again, it's been a long day for my video. Now it's time to come on to the work. So, let's discuss about the digestive system and how to make it strong. So, let's go. The digestive system is like your body's food processor. Okay, so it's a group of organs and parts that work together to break down the food you eat into tiny pieces so your body can use the nutrients to give you energy and keep you healthy, fit, tight. So think of it as your body's way of turning food into fuel. Okay? So now let's come to the main point. Keeping your digestive system strong. Our digestive system is like a superhero in our body. It helps us break down, as I already told you in a previous slide. Break down the food and get the nutrients that we need the most to stay healthy, fit and tight, strong enough to fight with the enemy. Okay, not the other but inside. So to keep your digestive system in top shape, here are some tips, examples and also advices for you to apply. Okay, so first of all, eat a balanced diet. Fill your plate with fruits, vegetables, whole grains and lean protein. So these foods provide the right mix of nutrients and fiber that your digestive systems loves the most. And the second one is hydrated. Stay hydrated means drink plenty of water. Okay, throughout the day, so your body can observe that. Okay, and it really works for in every single fucking disease. And the other one is more important, chew your food means अच्छे से जब खाना खाओ तो उसको चबा चबा कर खाना चाहिए, वो भी हल्के हल्के, हिंदी बोलना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो chew your food, take your time when eating. Don't try to be hurry in eating the food, during the food. Okay, so chewing your food thoroughly helps your stomach and intestines do their job better than other. Okay, then other means other. Okay, the fourth one is control portions. Let's discuss what is the means of portions. Avoid overeating. ज़्यादा मत खाया करो, पेट भर जाएगा, पेट फट भी जाएगा, फिर पेट फटे ना फटे लेकिन कहीं और से निकल जाएगा. So avoid overeating. Eating smaller, more frequent meals can ease the workload on your digestive system. अरे बहुत सिंपल है, ज़्यादा एकदम से खाना नहीं चाहिए, ठीक है, और बार बार हर समय खाते रहना, कभी कुछ खा रहे हो कभी कुछ खा रहे हो, तो इससे क्या है तुम्हारे डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम पर बहुत ज़्यादा बर्डन पड़ जाएगा. आई होप यू आर गेटिंग माई पॉजिटिव पॉइंट इन अ इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज. And the other one is, fifth one is, fiber is your friend. Just like my friend, my friend is living in somewhere, but I really love him. And just like the same way, fiber is your friend, my friend, and everyone's friend. So use the fiber-rich food like beans, whole grains, fruits. So keep your digestion system on track. They help prevent constipations and keep things moving on, growing on. And the sixth one is probiotics. What does that mean? Let's discuss it. Consider adding yogurt, okay, or the other probiotic rich foods to your diet. So these friendly bacteria can improve your gut health. Yogurt, curd, okay. And the seventh One is limit fatty and spicy food. Definitely. While these can be tasty, I know it is very tasty. I also take them too, but not too much. A little bit in a year. Not in every day, in every month, in a year, but a little bit. So, limit fatty and spicy foods. While these, and you know it very well, what I am talking about. So, let's go in the next slide. And the eighth one is stay active. Regular exercise keeps your digestive system. Oh, okay, what I was talking about. Okay, so stay active. Regular exercise means yoga, meditation, and also you can join the gym. Okay, but consult with your dietitian, your doctor before taking any kind of medications of the digestive system to improve that. Okay, so the ninth one is manage stress. If you are taking a lot of stress, a lot of burden on your mind, on your body, then it can be very dangerous for your health, for your stomach, for your intestine. And the other last one, but not the least one, the 10th, don't rush to eat. As I already told you, don't try to eat or overeating. Okay, and here is avoid eating when you are in a hurry or stressed or in some kind of mental illness. Give your body time to relax before meals. And this is the warning for everyone, whoever watching our video. I am very thankful for all of you that you support me and give your love, but here is the warning for you. Remember, a strong digestive system leads to better overall health. These simple steps can help your superhero digestive system. Okay, do it. But before taking any kind of a step, just watching the video, it can be a good, but it can be a bad. So consult with your doctor if you are feeling something unnatural with your digestive system. Thank you very much. Stay hydrated and stay tuned with us.